still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks. Still ain't ran out of no drink in my cup. Still ain't ran out of no gas in my butt. I still need more than enough. I still got bitches more than the fuck. I still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks.
What's up, everybody? How's it going? It's your boy Jovenel back here again. So, big update with the RX8. We're almost done with it. For the Accord that I have right here, still got a lot of issues going on, and I gotta fix everything up before I start modifying the car again. But the giveaway, I'm still doing it. I still got the taillights. Yet to figure out a way to get a lot of people to join to see who can get this. I'm gonna figure out a way to do it. So yeah, that's why I haven't been videoing the Accord, because I had to take it to the dealership and they're going to charge me a lot for whatever happening to the car. I don't know yet. Sources say that one of the fuel injectors went out, so it's causing misfire on cylinder 3. I tried changing the spark plugs. I tried changing the ignition coils, but all of them, but that didn't help at all. So that being said, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on with the RX8 right now. So as you can see, I got the stars on the roof, which I'm gonna be doing to the RX8 also. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. Sorry that it's gonna be pretty windy outside. I was able to, it probably took me an hour, 30 minutes to move this RX8 over there because the floor is on level. Both rear tires were flat. I had to switch out the wheels. I put my old wheels that were on the Accord, and then I put it on here. I don't know if I'm gonna be putting the engine on today because short of hand, it's gonna be a while, and due to the ground being unleveled, I don't know if that's gonna be an issue installing the motor. So I gotta figure out that. I got my friend, he gave me his engine hoist. The engine itself is right still here. I need somebody to help me. I need a couple people to help me take this engine out and put it on the ground so I could lift it up with the engine hoist. But here's the RX8. I got the Mishimoto Roush fans and the radiator. Plus, I got the premix OMP. So, and I got white hoses. So everything's set. All we need to do is just take the engine out the shed and bring it into the car. But that's gonna be a process. So probably Sunday I'll have somebody to help me put the engine in. Excuse me that I'm videoing while it's kind of windy, so you guys are gonna hear a little bit of wind noise, but so there it is. I jacked the RX8 up, and I put bricks all four wheels. This is like extreme ghetto way to do it, but this is all I have right now. We'll get it in. It's literally bricked up. So there it is. Now, my issue is unexpected visit. I was about to go to sleep and go to work after. Well, my buddy came with the engine hoist that he let me borrow, so we're gonna try to take this sucker out.
Hey, 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 Lil Kilo, 50 on the motherfucking way, man. Free take care. Fuck your threat, boy, you see me in your state. If we fuck, it's a nut, not a date. I was broke in the time the other day. Bitch, smoke, it ain't free, I ain't Drake. Still in college, wait till I graduate. Diamonds water like I jumped out the lake. These my jealous, so you can't find a lace. That's your thought, you ain't gang, she ain't safe. 12 at the door, I get low, gotta skate. I need it now, I can't get my money late. Still finessing, swiping cards at the chase. In the A, bitch, I gotta play. Location on, show a nigga where I stay. Location on to that nigga.
Alright people, so we close to getting the engine in. Next to my buddy Mike with his engine hoist. So all we doing is just waiting on somebody else who just left unexpected. But there it is.
Come and play. Get the pack and run it back like a relay. All a nigga know is real, it ain't fake. Fuck a rapper, why they all gotta hate. Free the guys, they got them all for a case. Said free the guys, they got my dogs in the cage. It ain't safe, still be catching fades. Serving J's in my Michael J's. Let it spray, you won't jug the day. And free.
How's it going? So we're gonna leave off where I left at. So yesterday I was like determined to put the engine right back in its place, and that's exactly what I did. So I'm gonna take the hood off first, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Alright people, there she is. The engine is mounted perfectly. As you can see, mounted, and over there, mounted. All I have to do is just tighten up both the bolts, but now I can start connecting everything that goes together. And then we should be good. So when I was installing the engine with my friend the other day, what happened was that the drive shaft wouldn't go inside the transmission, and we didn't want to damage any of the teeth, so we tried putting it in gear and then moving the crank over, but that wouldn't work. I was like, all right, I'm done for today. So yesterday I worked on the car and it is bolted on. I was able to do it, and now all I need to do is just bolt everything that goes back, and that's it. All I need to do is just bolt the brace and the transmission, and then we're all done here. Took a while, but we managed to do it. But there it is. So what I'm gonna be doing is tighten up the bolts underneath the car. I could start, you know, putting everything together in the engine. We should be good to go. So right now, I'm gonna start doing it right now. All right, people, so all the bolts are in the right spot. Sorry if there isn't any light, but over here, I had to tighten up these 4 bolts. 2 right here, 2 right here. And when you go all the way back to the drive shaft, 2 bolts right there, 2 bolts right there. Now I gotta just put the brace from right here on and connect the exhaust to the headers, and then start connecting everything together, and that's basically it. Right now, that's what I'm going to be doing, connecting every connectors and sensors in its right spot. So see you in a little.